What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more reviews, and this time I have my MacBook Pro right here. This is the 13-inch, and we're going to be looking at a new wooden case or wooden skin that I just got in from the company CoverUp. So let's check it out. So as I mentioned, this case or this skin actually came from the company CoverUp. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Price on this one is going to be about 85 bucks. Now, this is real wood, guys. Real wood. If you flip over to the back, Carpathian elm burr. So they have tons of different types. This is a recyclable product, so it's good for the environment. Big ups to the company. So what I want to do is get this open. And it's actually going to stick on. So like I said, it's a skin. Now, before actually purchasing one of these, you need to go onto their website and you need to actually scroll down and look through and make sure that you have the correct model number that matches up with your particular MacBook. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the correct size. So just lay it down, and you don't want to try to match this up with the Apple logo, but you just lay it down, make sure it fits. Once you've done that, you're going to make sure that you have no dust or lint or anything on top. So get all that off. Wipe that down. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this and flip it over, and you're going to peel from the edging. And you're going to peel about 1/4 of the way down. Once you get it peeled about 1/4 of the way, you're just gonna smooth that out. Then you're just gonna actually line this up with the top. It's very important that you get this line up all across that top edging. Make sure it's right on the edges. And then you're gonna press down, smooth that out. Then you're just gonna come up under here and you're gonna pull the rest of this out. Pull one side out, and then you are going to let it fall. You're gonna smooth out across the top, smooth out in the middle, smooth out on the bottom. And there you go. You have a nice wooden case or wooden cover, wooden skin. Let's do the smell test. Now, I normally don't do a smell test, but you can actually smell the wood in here. So let's do it. Okay, smells just like a piece of wood, guys. And you can still see your Apple logo. There are no issues, no worries, nothing going on with this whatsoever. I like this. I think I'm gonna keep it. So big shout out to the company CoverUp for getting me this MacBook skin over for my computer. And they also make skins for the MacBook Pro 16 2019, the one that just came out. So stay tuned for my installation video on this as well. I'm doing a full review of this one. This is smoke and it comes in stone. So smell test. All right, smells good. Looks like granite, looks like rock, looks like stone. It's from nature, but they put it on a case. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Remember, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check this out for yourself. I think it makes this look really stylish, really sleek. Just pick that up, hold on to it. I think it's really gonna get people asking questions. I really like the feel of it. I really like the look of it. What more can you say? It's a nice case, nice skin. I like it a lot. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.